Hey guys, in this Instagram tutorial I want to show you the function on Instagram on this day. Alright, after you open Instagram, you go to the tab on the top to your stories. Then you go to the left to create. And on create you go to the right till you go get this on this day feature. Then if you posted something on this day some years ago, you can find it. Then on the bottom right you can change the background color. When you click on the image, tap on the image, you can resize it. When you tap on the number on the top, like 6 years ago, you can go and throw it away or make it bigger, whatever you like. Also, you can go and send it to the Instagram TV. You can add a sticker or whatever you like. And you can draw on it. So if this tutorial helped you, I would appreciate a like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe, and I hope I see you next time at my next tutorial. If you have suggestions, comment down below. Bye bye.